Welcome to this week's Level Up Canvas. And this week we are going to dive into a great way for you to engage your students and provide them resources that you would like to share with them in Canvas, like a Google Slideshow. But you don't want it just to be a link. You want it to be something that they can engage with on the screen in Canvas so it's easier for them to see. And you know what that's going to look like is that I'm in my Canvas page and I really want to put a slideshow and embed it directly into my support tools right down here in this little acceleration toolbox. So what I'm going to do is the first thing is I'm going to go ahead and open up my slideshow and I am going to get my embed code for this slideshow. So if you've never done this before, it is under the File menu. And once I get there, I'm going to go down to Publish to the Web. And I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up this little box. And I can get a link, but we really wanted to show up for the students. So I'm going to click this Embed tab right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click the yellow Publish button. Once I do that, it's going to pop up saying, "Are you sure?" And I'm going to click OK. And it's going to give me my code. I'm going to go ahead and copy this code, and I'm going to go back over to Canvas. And while I have my cursor right here in the toolbox, I'm going to go up, and most likely this will be underneath your three dots up here in the Rich Content Editor toolbar. And this last icon that looks like a cloud is the Embed button. When I click on that, it's going to give me a space to paste that code. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste this code into the box and click Submit. And once I do that, it's going to automatically embed into my page. And you can see that the size is here already. I can change that size if I want to. If I need to go into the code and stuff and change that size, I can. Or you'll notice that when we are in our code over here, I can change the slide size here. So if I need it to be smaller, I can change it to small and copy the code in and put it in, and it'll come in a smaller size in Canvas. But once I'm done, all I do is click that Save button, and you're going to see that students will be able to interact with this slideshow without ever leaving Canvas. So if I scroll down, there is that slideshow that they can review their 2D and 3D shapes. And I can go ahead and they can click through and they can view that slideshow without ever leaving the Canvas page. And that's this week's Level Up with Canvas.